2, 1, go.
That's right, Tom. These teams are blue dabba dee ba da die, if I do say so myself. They are scoring in this autonomous period on the Blue Alliance, landing on that middle junction and that upper junction. Red Alliance as well scoring. Looks like these teams are going for a more diverse range of junction scores on the Red Alliance, not just trying to score as many as possible on an upper junction, but instead aiming for those middle and lower junctions during autonomous. 19458 unfortunately missing a few of their upper junction scores as we come to the end of this autonomous period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Looks like we had all successful parks coming out of that autonomous and going into the driver control period. Good signs for teams all around, which means that this match is going to be even more competitive than before. Now that 19458 has driver control over their robot, they aren't hesitating at all when it comes to scoring those cones onto that upper junction. 8719 and Ice here trying to negotiate around some upper junction scoring, but it looks like the Red Alliance instead went for a junction that is closer to them. 19458 scoring on their upper junction, claiming it for themselves. Looks like we've got a lot of junctions owned by the Red Alliance right now, and they're just about to score another one with this one. Blue Alliance needs to catch up and move a little bit faster if they want to get this lead back, even though they do have a lead right now from the autonomous period, most likely. And of course, more cones overall on the upper junction. They are losing a little bit of control, except as the Red Alliance is trying to claim as many of those junctions as possible. Things are bouncing out a little bit, but it's still anyone's game with 65 seconds left in the match. We've got these robots preparing and scoring as quickly as they can. And yet still some of these lower junctions are untouched, which means that there's some areas open for control. There's plenty of junctions ready to be reclaimed, but of course all eyes are on these upper junctions because each cone scored on an upper junction is 5 points, whereas the middle junction is 4 points, and the low junction, of course, is 3 points, which means that these robots are trying to aim for the upper junction as much as possible with only 6 seconds left until the end game, moving in to the end game right now so they can get those beacons ready. And of course, we have to note these human players immediately dropping in those beacons, ready for a permanent capture, a solid lock in on, yes, Red Alliance getting ready to successfully lock in on an upper junction. Yes, they've done it. Red Alliance about to do their second one. However, of course, a little bit of the issue here is involving Blue Alliance getting one of theirs. We've got 2 claimed junctions from the Red Alliance with their beacons, 1 claimed junction from the Blue Alliance with their beacon. Can the Blue Alliance get a second claim in 3, 2, 1? Successfully, yes, right at the end of the match. That's definitely going to make a difference when it comes to scoring.